At Alpha Wellness Sensations, we always move forward. In the weekend, we made this corner and we present the Winterra ice baths. What we have here are different models for everybody to have his choice of cold water therapy. It's the best of the best, and we show all the models here that we have with incorporated chillers, with external chillers, acrylic baths, inox baths, the blow-up baths, portable baths, and of course we do this all built-in ground, custom-made for professional use. All cold baths are possible, and you can look and feel the products in the Alpha Wellness Sensations showroom in Hasselt. Cold water therapy or cold water immersion is a science-based method to improve both physical and mental health. It activates the nervous system, sharpens focus, and strengthens the immune system. These cold water baths are widely used by athletes, accelerating muscle recovery and reducing the risk of inflammation. Our cooling systems, and that's what it's actually about, cool the water to well below freezing point, and we get real ice formation. The Ice Pro is a high-performance professional cold water bath that actually generates ice, with users literally breaking through a layer of ice to enter the bath. The result is an intense, authentic cold therapy that is deeply invigorating physically and mentally. That is hardly equaled by our competitors. In addition to our Ice Pro, Alpha Wellness Sensations also offers other cold baths with a wide range of cold therapy systems. Flex is a portable cold therapy solution for those who have limited access or space. Acrylic. Our acrylic bath, a perfect combination of functionality and visual design. Arctic Barrel. Our Arctic Barrel has a traditional look, modern technology, and a very powerful effect. We do different kinds of baths in stainless steel or tile baths up to 30 people. A powerful 1.5 horsepower cooler that combines efficient cooling with the most modern hygiene technologies. Integrated UV technology and 2 separate filter systems keep the water hygienic, clean, with a minimal of maintenance. Alpha Industries delivers integrated cold immersion solutions that bring together innovation, design, and proven therapeutic benefits. This allows the user to optimize their health and recovery. Here you will experience the real freezing ice-cold water therapy, only in our showroom.